Ouch! What's going on?
Susie, start packing! We're late!
What? But it's Sunday. Let me get some rest. Ugh.
Get up! The intergalactic transit arrives soon!
Where does it head to? Towards the adventures?
Exactly! I'm craving for them! So get up!
All right, I'm up, okay. I'm going.
Oh, we might have missed it.
Or the aliens thought that we're lacking adventurism.
Oh, my feta! I'm gonna show them that adventurism! What a word!
In fact, we can fly across the galaxy by ourselves, and I have an idea about the transport. Let's go!
Hey, Sue! Wait for me!
Samuel, over! Where are you?
Susie? Hello? Did you think I would hear you this way? You could have used a phone!
Come on, I wanted to try something new. Besides, our craft today is so…
So, cardboardy? Again? Where will it fly? We won't even get to the nearest star!
We have nothing but belief. Remember the words of the greatest scientist on Earth?
I would never forget it! Wubba lubba dub dub!
Exactly. Whenever you doubt yourself, hold on to your brains. Good mood.
And a great portion of weirdness. Rick would love that.
By the way, Rick Sanchez inspired us to make this craft.
And we warn you to be careful with sharp objects. Better ask an adult to help.
Cut smoothly, use a ruler if needed, and you'll get… Not this! Sammy, give it back!
I picked it up for scientific purposes only, Sue!
Did you make any great discoveries? We're listening intently.
Shiver me cheddars, I'm shy. Wait a second. Now I'm shy and cool.
Oh, Sammy, it's such an old trend. Did you travel to the past?
Even if I did, what did you make? A cardboard ring?
Stop daydreaming, Sammy. We're working here.
No, my precious!
I have something to cheer you up. Ta-da!
Is it a cardboard noodle or something? I already ate.
That's not what I had in mind. Actually, we're starting to decorate this piece.
Shiver me cheddars! That part is mine! Do you have something more? I'm not done yet!
Just these small half spheres. Are these enough?
By the mozzarella, I can work with that! Now you're talking! And that's the way the craft goes. Oh, Sue!
Didn't you leave for space too early? We haven't finished the transport yet.
Then what are we waiting for? Are we actually waiting for something?
Let's check with the reference. We have a half sphere. The cabin is next. We need a thick piece of polyfoam for its lower part.
Interesting. Circle here and there too. What does it mean?
Maybe that you should be careful near sharp objects.
Or it means that aliens are trying to talk to us. Do they? What are they saying? Mysteries. Mysteries are everywhere. Guys, you mustn't blink. Because if you do, your sight will trick you and this circle will turn into a polyfoam donut. Ah!
This is a great replacement for the UFO.
Yeah, if you want to fall down through the hole. Hey, I'm not a landing zone.
I almost forgot. We should change its shape a little.
Then I better throw it away from me. Those props are not for slimes.
Sammy is right, guys. Ask an adult to help you with this part. After that, you just have to sand the surface. What a satisfying sound!
Yep, and you can still fall through the hole right into the space.
There won't be any hole, don't panic. We're making a cabin for intergalactic passengers. By the way, don't we need tour guides for our first space trip?
I'm on it! What's an alien language like?
The best decor feels like home. Let's decorate the cabin floor with mosquito net.
Just a sec. Susie, help! How do I say salmon alienish?
I don't know. Say
Oh, great! 2 tickets, please!
Guys, the cabin is ready. Now let's attach it to the polystyrene foam base.
You defo need some slime weight here. Give way! Boom, boom, boom! Hey, I don't want to travel yet. I haven't bought a spacesuit.
Then ask NASA to lend you one. I hope they have slime sizes.
Enough, Miss Susan! The intergalactic transport inspection is here! How do you plan your space adventures on such a fragile construction? Your memory will be erased as penalty. Is it bribery?
No, Mr. Inspector. They are the body pieces. Here, check this out. They'll protect the UFO from any extra overloads in space.
You've learned some tricks, young lady. I approve! Here is the best spaceship covering we have. Please, keep going.
All right, let's add some filler first.
Guys, it's just glue. Don't get too agitated.
Well, then you can just finish this by yourself.
Sure! Besides, I've already covered myself. Let's get started. Hey, where are you going? You! Shiver me cheddars! Let's check it out now! The covering is so rough, it'll catch every space bump.
Let me check. It's just a couple of inches.
Doesn't matter, because every inch should be perfect from the bottom to the top.
Okay, Sammy, I'll help you make this UFO smooth.
And I'll prepare texture paste for the finishing touch. Wow, it's so thick. Uh-oh. Susie, I'm stuck. Wait, I got an idea.
Sammy, no!
Come on, I knew it would work this way.
I didn't question you. Anyway, now we can finish the covering with a layer of texture paste.
It's a perfect base for coloring. I can't wait.
Let's set the timer. The paste has to dry out before we proceed.
Thanks to the double, we know a thing or two about time traveling. See you in the future. Well. Okay, seems like I got the wrong turn during my time traveling.
You're right on time. See, we need to make the engine first.
Sure, we're gonna fly! Or not?
Well, we certainly need some wheels to gain high speed.
But spaceships and rockets don't have any wheels! It's insane! Take this!
Exactly. That's what Rick and Morty would approve. Are you ready to help me with this experiment?
Let's do this! Slimes were never against creativity! That was fun! What should we do next? I'm ready for more!
We'll combine the most unexpected things together. UFO and cardboard. They finally met! Check this out! The pieces are stretching out to each other!
Hey, wait! This piece is a must too!
Wow, it came out pretty good! So are we ready to start our space trip?
No, violation of space travel regiment! Miss Susan, you're a real mischief!
Okay, what was my mistake again?
All space transport must have metal covering! Your penalty is…
Right! I nearly forgot about this part. Thank you, Inspector.
Did she block me again? Oh, I got caught twice in a row!
Don't nag for too long. Or who will help me finish the space cruiser?
By the way, I also found a way to communicate with aliens! Emojis are universal at each end of the galaxy!
Well done! But we won't visit them before the spaceship is done.
Careful! High chance of heavy metal precipitation!
Wow, here are turbines, headlamps, a banner. Seems like we have everything for our journey.
Then let's get things done!
Wow, looks kinda cool.
Just a couple of touches are left!
Guys, check this out! A real artist is working on our craft!
Don't distract me, or I'll paint something on your fingers too! Hey, come back!
Touchdown! Now it's my turn! The last step is to furnish the cabin. We have the control panel, chairs, a steering wheel,
and presents from Earth! Wait, what? How many vehicles are there?
Our tour guides have just arrived. They know everything about traveling through space, time,
and getting into troubles! The trip is gonna be unforgettable!
Buckle up, we're blasting off!
Hey, Sugal, how long does it take to get to the nearest star?
If you want to travel to Proxima Centauri, the road will take over 73,000 years.
What? Shiver me jetters! And what about the nearest galaxy?
The nearest galaxy is located at 236 million, quadrillion, illion.
You seem a bit disappointed, Sammy.
Well, at least we have a space transport. Maybe we'll travel after we retire?
Nice idea! What do you think, guys? Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe!